12, 13, 24, the XTR Gator pulley cable off pulley repair continues. So we were able to bring it up, and then we were able to put a tire underneath and then bring it down. And once you bring it down, now there's slack in the cable. Once there's slack in the cable, I can put the pulley back. And the pulley came out with some piece of metal, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and these two washers were in the inside of the pulley. So where is the pulley? This is the pulley here. Like that. And then there's a cotter pin that there's this pin here, and it goes in from the driver's side to the passenger side, and then put the cotter pin back. All right.